Hello and welcome back to another video. Before this tutorial begins, I have to say a few words because it seems to be my last videos got somehow botted, or what means botted, they just got like randomly 100 of views and like a lot of dislikes for like literally no reason. I know it's like kind of weird. I just reloaded the website after a few minutes and then I saw okay like 50 new views and on every video like 2 new dislikes parallel at the same time. And that really sounded like to me my channel was botted. I know actually bot rates are in a huge bigger way, but I don't know exactly what happened there. But it's actually pretty funny because my channel is mostly about bots and I got botted. Ha 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 ha, you got the joke. No, anyway. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the bot we created in the last tutorial run so that the bot is online, and we will create one command. So to keep you up on the track, in the last video, we created our bot in the Discord developer portal. If you haven't watched that video, it's in the description. Also, the developer portal is in the description. So yeah, just leave that tab open. But first, we'll focus on the main on our desktop. What we'll do here is we will click. We'll make a right click, then we click on New, and then on Folder. I know it's currently in German, but please don't get confused by that. I'm sorry. I will maybe try to fix it till the next video. So yeah, just create a new folder and name this folder whatever you want. So you can, I for example can call it now tutorial bot. Like this right here. And then we got an empty folder, and what we will do with that empty folder, you will open up your text editor by choice, or your code, in my case it's VS Code. How you can download VS Code or in a text editor, I will make an extra tutorial on that. So for short, I will just link Visual Studio download for that in description. It's actually pretty easy. You just install it and open it up. That was it. But once you're in Visual Studio, you're gonna click on File, gonna click on Open File, and once you're on your desktop, or the location where you had your folder stored, you created, you just gotta select that folder. In my case, it's tutorial bot, and you just gotta click Open or select folder. And it's pretty empty right now. So what we will do in here is we will just create a new file by clicking this icon here, and we will name it bot.py. You can name it whatever you want, and we'll just hit enter. And in here, we can basically make our bot run. This is the pretty cool thing. So what we will do first off is import Discord. How you install Discord, that's pretty easy. I gotta leave you a link down in the description. To make it short, you just open up CMD, and in here you're just gonna be like once you install Python, you're just gonna be like pip install -u discord.py, and then basically it will install discord.py. In my case, it's already installed. I will link that stuff here in the description also too. So yeah, once you've installed that and probably then restarted your IDE or text editor, you can import Discord. And next we're going to say from discord.ext import commands. And more we don't need, because what we will do now is we will define one variable. This big variable is called token, and this token equals to your token. I will paste my token in the show off in here. I will regenerate it after the video, no worries. So yeah, you paste in just your bot token in there. And next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna be like, you say client, client equals to commands.bot, and in here we're gonna say command prefix, and then just make an exclamation, exclamation mark, because what we did in here is we defined a variable that's called client. And this variable refers to commands, which we imported up here, .bot, so it means like the Discord bot itself. And then in here we have command.prefix with an underscore, and this equals to an exclamation mark. And this exclamation mark will obviously be the command prefix of our bot. So for example, that we can type, for example, exclamation mark hello, and the bot responds with just hello at username, for example, or actually just hello. We'll try to keep it simple for this video. Yeah, that's basically our plan we're gonna do. So first, what we will do down here is we're gonna say client.run, and in here token, and that's our bot. So I just go to the developer portal. I gotta copy that token, and I'm going to paste it in here like this. Here's my token. I will regenerate it after the video, so no worry. And then I hit F5 to debug mode, because then I can easily always restart it, and the bot should start now. And once we go back to Discord, let me open up the test server from the last time. Basically now our bot is online. We got right here. That's our pretty cool bot, and it's online. So we just made it online. That's pretty cool, huh? Isn't it? But I will stop it for now. And what we will do now is we'll create a command, and this command basically just refers to commands.command, and in here we're going to say name hello. And that's basically how we create a command. And now we need to define that command a bit. So we're going to say async, async, that stands for asynchron def, that defines a function in Python or a method. So we're going to say async def hello underscore command. You can name this whatever you want. And by the way, if you leave this empty, so if we just cut this out here, basically what's doing then is that this will be the command name. So the function name will be then the command name, but we're just going to say name hello in here, and that's how it works. And in here, we're just going to say ctx, that, by the way, stands for context, like I mentioned in my code live streams. And in the row below, you're just going to say await. It's pretty important that you type await, so the bot just waits if it's ready. And then we're going to say await ctx.send, and then hello. And what this means is that the bot sends hello in the ctx in the channel. So basically you can see ctx like as the environment of Discord. So basically ctx can be everything like ctx.author. This will be like the user, like the message author, you can basically do something like ctx.guild. That's going to be like the guild of the message, like where the message was wrote in. Then you can have, for example, ctx.channel. This equals just to the channel of the message. And when you just type in ctx.send, then it basically just sends a message in the channel. So let's start our bot again. Make it run. See if it's online. Should be now. And when we go in our test thing, we can basically, nope, that wasn't my plan exactly. You can basically just type in hello, and the bot should respond with hello, but the command is not found. Hello, it's actually that's kind of weird. I don't know. Yeah, sure. Because you don't paste in here commands, you're gonna be in here client.command. That's pretty important. So yeah, you're basically referring to this variable up here. That's pretty important here. And you're just saying client.command, and then you do this. And now if we type in again hello, the bot should respond with hello. And there we go. There's my internet is kind of slow today. So there we go. Our bot responded with hello, and that's how you do custom commands. So for example, you can do client dot command, and be in here for example by, and then you can basically just say async def by command. And in here we're just gonna be like ctx again, and then we're just gonna say await ctx.send by. and then we got our command integrated. So I hope you really liked that video. I'm gonna drop a video in the next days for how you install all the requirements you need to get started with Discord PY. So that was maybe like a bit weird now, but I hope you enjoyed that video. It might help you a bit, and we see us in the next co-live stream or video. It depends on which comes first. I have no real schedule. I just do it like whenever I have time or fun, or both in the best way. And yeah, make sure to leave a like if you want to, and we see us in the next video. Bye!